Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an extremely popular yogurt based cold drink called lassi. You can make it sweet or salty. I'm going to show today the sweeter version. A simple 5 ingredient recipe with all the ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. I'm using here some homemade yogurt, about 250 grams. I like my lassi to be a bit sweeter, so I'm adding about half a cup of sugar, but you can reduce that amount if you want it less sweet. Add few cubes of ice. I'm using an electronic hand blender to mix everything. If you don't have this, you can also make a use of a grinder or just use a manual blender. Blend it for few seconds. Gradually the bubbles will start to form up, so just lift your blender a little bit and just on the top layer blend it for few more seconds. I'm also going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but this is optional. Blend it again for few seconds. Lassi is now ready. Here I'm just transferring this lassi to a different pot to help me pour into those glasses without spilling. Start pouring the lassi in the serving glasses from a distance. This gives nice soapy texture to the lassi. Here I have some fresh cream and I will now add it to the lassi. Adding fresh cream takes lassi to another level. So tempting, can't wait to have this lassi. Do give it a try and I'm very confident that you will love it. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.